Hello guys, welcome to this new video on AI and machine learning. So as you guys know that there is a huge race going along different companies to prove that their AI models are greater than the other. So today I came across this company called as Anthropic, which is a competitor of OpenAI and Google in developing large language models. So I decided to see what they have in offering, and I found that they are offering some new models right now, which is called as the Claude family models. And like I came across the site, and this is what they have right now. Like Claude 3.5 Sonnet is a model that they have recently released. It says that they claim that their model is better than ChatGPT 4.0, which was recently released by OpenAI, and in many terms they are better than other models. So they are not that new company. Like they have earlier also released a lot of models, but their latest model called as Claude 3.5 Sonnet is more intelligent than GPT 4.0 they are claiming. So this is a comparison sheet that they have provided. Like Claude 3.5 Sonnet uh, claims to beat other models like Claude 3 Opus, GPT 4.0, Gemini Pro 1.5 Pro, etc. in the field of graduate level reasoning, undergraduate level knowledge, code, multilingual math, reasoning over text, mixed evaluations, math problem solving, grade, school, math, etc. etc. And they have a video which you can go on this site and watch on their YouTube. And besides that, they have other comparisons also, like visual math reasoning. They can beat other models and all. So this is their site, so you can check it out. And they also claim that they have been working on new models which will come along the Claude 3.5 model family. Is that they will be releasing Claude 3.5 Haiku and Claude 3.5 Opus later. So Opus is a model I think which is very good for coding purposes, and which will be coming in the future. So let's go and try out their chatbot. So you can click on the try on claude.ai. So I have already opened the claude.ai. You just need to register, and this is how the interface looks like. So simple as that. Like, so let us check which model are you using. Which model are let's start with the simple thing. Hi. Okay, hi, I'm Claude. How can I assist you today? I'll ask which model are you replying from? Okay, I am Claude 3.5 Sonnet, a part of Claude 3 family models released by Anthropic in 2024. Is there any specific thing you'd like to know about my capabilities and how can I help you? Yes, what are your capabilities in terms of writing code? Okay, so it shows that as Claude 3.5 Sonnet, I have extensive capabilities when it comes to writing code. I can write code in many programming languages, included Python, JavaScript, C, C++, Ruby, and more. You can fix code. Okay, it shows that it claims that it is very good in writing code, developing softwares, and all. So let us try some examples with the help of Claude 3.5 Sonnet and see like how good is it. Hi, can you explain me React hooks, React hooks, and other important React functions with the help of a simple example. So I have created similar prompts in GPT. Let's see how it does with Anthropic. Claude. So, okay, what does it reply? Certainly, I will be very happy to explain you React hooks and other React functions using a simple example. Let's create a basic counter component to demonstrate some key concept. So it imports React. It imports the hooks that are extensively used by React, use state, use effect, callback, use memo, etc. And then there is a counter function. Okay, so it initialized the use state hook, gave a variable, a function for the same set count. So yeah, I mean it does explain the hooks in React in a very efficient way, and also it gives the very good explanation like how you can use React hooks. I mean, if I compare it directly with ChatGPT 4o, it is, I think, slightly better than it. But let's try with more examples. So let's try with the complex example. Like, for example, I made a video on connecting EC2 and then I tried to upload a ML model from it. So let's try to ask it, let's say I want to run a ML application done in Flask in EC2 and then later make it live. How? Give me the steps to do same. Okay, let's see. So it shows that okay, first of all, you have to go to the AWS console, create a EC2 instance. Okay, it is actually better than your usual GPT-4o because the output that it is giving is pretty much accurate. These are the steps that I followed yesterday. So first, it gives you that this is the command. This you have to like first you have to make the instance. Use this command to connect to the server. Then you can update Python in it. You can update Git in it. Then you can clone your repository where the code is there. Then it shows that go in the directory, create environment, virtual environment. Then you run the code. Your code will be running on Gunicon. So pip install Gunicon, bind it with this port number on your app. Then set up the nginx as a reverse proxy using the sudo command, and then set up the configuration for it. Then add this block inside the HTTP block. Okay, then restart ngx. Okay, then Nikon. So these are the steps that it gives that okay, you can do it in this way. Then set up a domain name, purchase a domain name for registered, create a record pointing to your EC2 instance public IP. It did a very good job when I compare it with GPT. Like GPT is not that good at creating this complex level of code. Like it is good, but not this great. Yeah, so we saw that Claude's Sonnet 3.5 is good in solving coding related questions. Let's try to test its math solving capabilities to see what else it can do. So I came across some questions which are related to math. So let us try this question. The question is that there is an equation given C equal to 5 cross 9F minus 32. The equation shows how temperature F measured in a blah 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 relates to temperature this. Measure in degrees Celsius. What based on equation must be true? So let's try to ask this question to it. There are four options, and then we see here that the answer is statement 2 is true. Correct. So let's try to see if Anthropic's Claude is able to answer this question. I paste the question here and I ask it what statement is true. Give answer with justification. So let's try to see how does it solve this problem. Okay, so let's try to think step by step. So it rewrote the equation. Now let's consider each statement. Statement one, it tried to see a temperature increase of 1 degree Fahrenheit is equal to temperature increase of 5.9 degrees Celsius. So if F increases by 1, the change of C is this. So this statement is false. So it like from the statements, it said that first is not true. Then it checked for the second statement, and it got to know that it's true. Then it tried with the third statement, it showed it is false, and so on. It says at last that therefore the correct answer is statement 2, a temperature increase of 1 degree Celsius equal to temperature increase of 1.8 degree Fahrenheit. Justification is also given properly. And if you see the answer here, it also says that only statement 2 is true. So it is very good in even solving the answers. So you saw that how good Claude Sonnet is even in solving math problems. These are the capabilities of Claude. It is very similar to your ChatGPT bot, but it is better in many ways. And as Anthropic has claimed, they are going to come with some super models in the future. So I am also looking forward to use Claude 3.5 for my personal task, for my personal work, even coding problems and solving other problems, and even learn more from this model. Feel free to write any other topic that you would like to know about Claude 3.5 in the comment section below, so I can try it in the future videos. Till then, see you next time, guys. Bye bye.